I added yeast to condensed milk and it was a hit at home. In a bowl, mix a 395 g can of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, and a small box of milk. Blend well. Now add 2 cups of flour and mix again. Grease a pan with margarine and sprinkle some shredded coconut. Then pour in all the batter. Sprinkle more shredded coconut on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Check out how amazing this cake looks. Just unmold onto a plate and see how wonderful it is. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super fluffy, unique and delicious cake. The condensed milk and coconut combo will surprise you. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks.